Good evening, everyone. My name is Rahul Singh, and today I'm here to discuss about how was my experience of FEA. So it's been 2 years, and till now I'm not believing that I am graduate because I enjoyed a lot. I can say this was a wonderful time that I have been the part of FEA community. The experience start span when I was in my 12th class. It was a board time. I got the call of Manisha ma'am, and she asked me to join FEA because my sister was also graduate from here. So she might have given the number. So she has called. I s- I wasn't much obvious about English. She in the starting she asked in Hindi. So I tried myself to speak in English, but it wasn't coming. It is it has happened with everyone, and I was not the new. So I just said, okay ma'am, I'll be continuing with this period of time after this period of time, because my board exam was going on, and I was trying to focus on the board exams only. After all these things, when I went there, I found totally different kind of environment. This was not new and not easy for me to get the matchup, get the mashup, so I can get and learn uh, some of the restrictions which were good for me were applied there, that we cannot even ask in Hindi, even when we are having doubts even. So what I did, uh, I tried to concentrate the words, how she's pronouncing, how she's speaking, and what words we need to make. I Because in the starting, somebody who's totally new about it, so they need to focus on only one thing, that how to make a sentence. What you want to ask, what you are getting, what you are not getting, try to focus on mind, make words, and the, the thing will come. Definitely once you get habit of listening English, that your tongue will definitely speak English. That is totally true. It cannot come naturally, but it will definitely come. This will take time as well. So it was only going on, it was just going like school. I used to go there, I used to sit there, I used to come here, come there, come at home. It went like, uh, to be very honest, it went till my first book. It was going like this, because somebody who's not having any aim, like you, some of you might be having some of the aims. I wasn't having any aims, not about the career, not about the going to FEA. What makes me fascinating always is that she's speaking good because she's teacher. I was having this mindset, this was totally wrong. She's speaking good because she's teacher. He's speaking good because he might be having any affluent background, he might be having any good background of English. So it is good, it is easy for them, it is hard for me. I used to think a lot like this. This has went, this has gone just like this. In the recent, in the starting initially stage of second book, one day ma'am has called a graduate whose name was Kundan. He is not Kundan sir. You might be aware of Kundan sir, but he's not Kundan sir. He was different person, not Kundan sir. So what he started a speech. It was really fabulous. He was as affluent as Manisha ma'am, and I was just gazing at him. I was just trying to see at him how well he's speaking, how it is possible, how well he's speaking. And after that, I wasn't able to like go and speak. I was just getting the essence that how well he's speaking. Sometimes it happens that you get feel that how well he's speaking and I can also speak. Let me go there. I tried very hard, and very first time I tried very hard, and I stand up by own my own and tried to go there and speak. I stood up there, and what happened? Were totally blocked. I cannot even speak a word. I cannot utter. Nothing was happening. Nothing was working for me. Not even the mind was working. What has happened? I was pushing. How well he is speaking. You need to speak it. And first time I found that yes, I need to work a lot. I just sat at my desk, even though the students has clapped for me that yes, I raised my hand and I sat there. I stood there and uh, I just tried my best. I asked to my friend Bittu that how he's speaking and why I'm not able to speak, and how can I become like this? How can I become like this person? I want to become like this person. He shared only a thing that you don't need to become like him. You are, but you just need to uh, get some of the practice. Once you are into the practice, you'll definitely be speaking, I guess more, I guess better than him. We did, we tried, and it went by. We used to speak, we used to participate. This has gone by as four till fourth book. I was able to like I was really confident enough to speak anywhere. Even I've cracked several interviews till my fourth book because I was practicing. I was in practice. I used to attend sessions, and if I'm saying I used to, it includes Bittu as well because Bittu was always with me. I cannot even say like single day it might have gone without Bittu. It was me and Bittu who was always, and this was really a wonderful time. I can only say this thing that one thing which I have done wrong is that uh, I tried to speak much than listening. So this used to make me like I used to mispronounce some of the words. I used to get irritated sometimes by somebody whenever I used to get less opportunity to speak. But all of the above, I can say that I did really good. And then comes the time in my fifth book. I can say that when I was working, because I used to work in hotel industry, and there is a lot of story because of less time. Let me just concise it. Whenever I used to get opportunity to speak, I used to do a lot of things. I used to see that how I need to say, how I need to like define this thing into these many words. I used to use some of the new words that can fascinate myself. That yes, he's obvious about it. Somehow it was kind of bragging, but I used to like it. So that's why I used to do it. But after being graduate, I used to get very less chances. So this was totally on me that it is good to do practice, it is not good to do practice. I was obvious, and without practice we are not going to it is not going to work. I shared the same thing to Bittu, and he was also feeling the same thing. He said okay, this is all what we need. And in 2019th of August, uh, we have started, or I can say that the practice. Whenever we used to talk, we used to go somewhere, we used to do a lot of things. Everything should be in English. This has the concept. We have made this rule for uh, we have made this boundary that we should not cross this lane, we should not cross this boundary.